In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix app's shortcut icon missing on Chrome. If the shortcuts on your Chrome start page have disappeared, or the grid of icons you rely on just isn't showing up, this quick walkthrough will get them back. We'll do everything on a desktop computer because the Chrome new tab layout and options are different on mobile. First, open a fresh new tab in Chrome. You can click the plus button at the top of the window or use your usual method. The options we need only appear on the new tab page, so make sure you're looking at the default start page rather than a website. Now look to the bottom right corner of the new tab page for the Customize Chrome button. It looks like a little pencil icon. Go ahead and click it. If you're not seeing the pencil, double-check that you're truly on a new tab page. The button won't appear on regular websites or web apps. A customization panel will slide open. From here, select Shortcuts. This is where Chrome controls what shows in that grid of icons. If your shortcuts vanished earlier, it's usually because the setting was switched to hide them. In the Shortcuts section, ensure that either My Shortcuts or Most Visited Sites is selected. My Shortcuts lets you manage your own tiles, so you can pin or edit the sites you want to see. Most Visited Sites lets Chrome automatically populate the grid based on where you go most often. Either option will make the shortcut icons appear. Just be sure that Hide Shortcuts is not selected. After choosing the option that fits your preference, click Done to save your changes and close the panel. Give the page a moment, and you should see the shortcuts return to the new tab grid. If you picked My Shortcuts, you can customize them further right from the grid later. If you picked Most Visited Sites, Chrome will fill them in over time as you browse. That's all it takes. To recap, open a new tab, click the pencil icon for Customize Chrome, select Shortcuts, choose either My Shortcuts or Most Visited Sites, and click Done. Keeping shortcuts visible makes it faster to access your favorite sites, and this setting is the key to bringing them back when they go missing. If you ever change your mind, you can revisit the same Shortcuts panel and switch between the two options at any time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you restore your Chrome shortcuts quickly and confidently.